Nakakapagod naman. Punta na, ano yun naririnig ko? Punta nga ako doon. Sige, tara, adapt na kita. Wait, tuning ko okay, I will adapt you. Ano ka? Let's go. I will brush your hair. How old are you? 4. I will fix your hair. So, we're gonna go. Okay, we are home.
Mama,
I will pull him properly. Just go to the bathroom. I will lock this. Go to the bathroom, okay? Look at in the glasses. I will brush your hair. Okay? This one. So I will brush your hair properly. Oh wow, it's a beautiful one now. Okay, we're going to room. It's time for bed. Sleep proper. Sleep properly, okay? The monster in the camping. Then the person